everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's look is brought to you by this 24A Artist Pass palette. I did start in my crease with Desert Vibes and Security. I mixed those two shades together before putting them on my lid. I did go ahead and do my eyebrows, as you can see, and I prepped my base with the P. Louise eyeshadow base. I do believe that the one that I use is Rumor 02. I'm gonna just keep blending it out until I get a good blend for my crease color. Now once you've got your crease color fully blended, I did go in with the color Seek Shade just to darken up my base. My crease. I wanted to make it darker so that whenever I did add the nude color on my lid, you can see a difference. Now I'm going back with the first brush that I used in my crease with the lighter shades to blend those two shades together to make sure I get a good blend. If you do not use more than one brush to blend your crease, you are definitely missing out and making your work a little bit harder than it needs to be. Just go ahead and get you two brushes at least to blend those shades together. Okay, now I'm going to show you how I cut my crease really fast because as you can see, I got kids running around. I really don't have time to sit there and really work it. So I pull my lid back and I just move it in a circular motion until I get the desired cut crease, and bam, it is done. Super quick. Okay, so now this is the 3502 Morphe Second Nature palette. I can't talk. The Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette, and I'm gonna go in with that nude shade. I really want to keep this look daytimey and soft. Now I'm gonna continue to pack that shade all over my lid. Your cut crease, it doesn't have to be perfect because your liner, if you're doing it exactly like how mine is, I wanted my liner to be pretty thick so you can't even really see where the cut crease ends or begins, and that's why I'm also not gonna do much blending in my outer corner because you're not really gonna see it anyway. I just wanted to pack this color on my lid and then add the thick white liner. And you guys, this look took me maybe about 10 minutes to do. Just eyeshadow took me about 10 minutes to do, so super quick, super simple. Now for the white liner, I'm going to use this NYX liquid liner. I think this is the vinyl one. This liner is super easy to use and super cheap. I want to say it's no more than $7 at Ulta. I have this one in white and black. Whenever I do my wing, I always start in my outer corner. I start towards the end of the wing and bring it in because I can always clean it up with a little bit of concealer to make sure that your wing looks nice and sharp at the end, because you do want it sharp enough to kill. So whenever I'm done with the outer corner, I always go over the top of my eye with the eyeliner, and I do that part pretty slowly so that I can make sure that I don't mess that up because that's a harder fix. Now, as you can see, eyeliner is popping. We have sharpened it up. Now with the white, I do feel like it does get kind of patchy in some areas, so I go over it a second time just to make sure. And here you can see me cleaning it up with concealer to make sure that the outer line is nice and sharp. These lashes are from Every Girl's Lash. One of my old classmates from high school, she started selling eyelashes and they are popping. They are mink. They are reusable. I feel like I've used these about 3 times already, and I believe that they're $12 on her website. I will link her Instagram in the description box below so that you can grab some of those because they are fire. Now for my waterline, I'm using this NYX Jumbo White Pencil. I love these jumbo pencils because I don't feel like I stab myself in the eye as much, and they just kind of glide on very easily. So once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my face makeup. And while I'm doing this, since my eye makeup routine, or my face makeup routine is pretty simple, I did want to go ahead and tell you guys about the giveaway that I have on my channel now. If you have not already, after this video, go ahead and go check out that giveaway video. So to be entered into the giveaway, all you have to do is like the giveaway video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment under that video of your favorite thing that you see that you want in the giveaway, and that's it. Now, if you want to earn bonus entries and you're listening to this video right now, because I'm not going to post it anywhere else, if you want to be entered again, all you have to do is go follow me on Instagram, and if your Instagram name and your YouTube name are different, please just comment under a picture saying done and your YouTube name so that I can find you whenever the giveaway does come, because I will be doing the giveaway only on YouTube. So that's pretty much it for the giveaway entries, guys. I wanted to make them as easy as possible. I hate whenever giveaways want you to like go to all these different places and do all these different things. So the extra giveaway entry is so that you can, you know, get the extra giveaway entry, but that one's not required. You really just have to go like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment under that video. And then if you want the bonus entry, follow me on Instagram and leave your YouTube name, if it's different, in the comment with a done or a check mark or whatever, just to give you the extra bump in your entries. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Lip color in this look, I do like my lips to look like they're really pouty and full. Even though I think I have pretty full lips already, I do like them to look a little bit bigger and fuller. So I do use a darker lip line color. This one is by Wet n Wild, I want to say, and it's just a dark brown shade. And I do overline my lips, and I like to reshape my top lip to where it looks a little bit like, I don't know how you would describe it, but it makes my top lip look a little bit more fuller than it did before. So I forgot to mention, during this whole tutorial I did have on a lip plumping gloss. The one that I use is the one by ColourPop. I had that on just to kind of get my lips prepped to look a little bit fuller than they usually do. I actually feel like it helps like even out your lip line whenever you use stuff like that. A lot of people feel like your lips are too big already before you use the lip plumping gloss, but I don't actually feel like it makes my lips look really big. It just like helps even out those lines that you have on your lips. Just make sure lips look like more pouty, and that's all I'm really going for here. So once I'm done with my lip liner, I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place lipstick. This color is in Toffee. Now I like continuously blot my lips to make sure that I get a good blend, because I don't really like that dark liner bright lip look. You know, that very 90s look. I'm not really going for that today. So I'm going to continue to blot my lips and make sure that I'm pretty blended. Okay guys, so that is the end of this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully it was easy enough for you to follow. If you have not already, go ahead, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.